Everybody, welcome back. I'm Matt Wilson. I work with QTE as an application engineer for Verisurf, and I'm going to focus my next few videos on Verisurf 2024. That's our new release, and there's a few features that I feel will really help you guys in the shop. The first feature is dynamic surface points. This is going to be an option of placing points for your target chasers to hit on features. I know before 2024 we always have to pretty much use what we got, and sometimes on planes it wasn't the best, so now we have an option of placing points exactly where you would like it for measurements, not only on an analysis but also on other features. Another update we have is now that we're using dynamic surface point in these features, you can automatically add go-to points. So that's a very nice feature too also. The next subject I want to go over is going to be RPS alignments. This is I would say a combination of auto line and feature line. It's a very powerful feature, and a lot of shops are going to be moving toward this type. This is a standard inside of the automotive world, and I think you guys are going to like it. My first video that we're going to do right now will be going through RPS alignments. This is great because you don't got to measure stuff twice. So if you measure a plane for your datum A, you can use that for your alignment, just like a feature line, but this is a lot more powerful. You guys will like it. My third is they actually made some adjustments inside of auto align that are kind of nice. We have add go-to points we can place in between targets. I know that was sometimes a struggle making clearance on a CMM. We can do our Z highest for planes. I know I've been asked about that a few times. And now we can also hold to gravity inside of our auto align. So I've had a couple customers ask, how do I lock in rotation when I do a datum, or when I'm using my Z as a level from gravity? And that was always done in feature line. You just leave your plane out of there, and you do zero plane and use the gravity. Now we can do that inside of auto line, so it's a little bit neater. And we also did some enhancements in the AS9102 report. It's very clean and very handy for you guys to hand that off to your quality insurance group, whoever puts those numbers into the report on the end result. Another thing is inside of 2024, you'll notice in the bottom left corner, we have a little cube in there. If you go to our YouTube channel, you can see I did a little video on that. That's a nice little feature too. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to be going over RPS alignments. Let's get to it.